Welcome to today's job and exam news.
Metal Industries Limited has invited the application for the post of sales officer. Eligible candidates can apply online through the official website https://esrb.kerala.gov.in. The online application opens on October 29, 2024. The last date to submit the application is on November 30, 2024. Get more details from official website of Metal Industries Limited. Qualification: B.Tech BE in Mechanical Engineering with 60% marks. Maximum age of 36 years as on the date of notification. Pay scale 4,600 to 7,125. For more latest news, career, job, exam, question papers, notes and study materials, visit the website https://studyforsure.com. Thank you.